I've spent the last couple of days completely organizing our bathroom cabinets. I really wish I had a before picture to show you, but I do not. So we got the 25-piece organizer set. There are 4 different sizes. So we have these long ones like this. We have the nice square ones like this. And there are some smaller ones as well. And as you can see, I have everything nice and organized. Before, everything was just all over the place. It was hard to find anything, whereas now everything is in its place. Let me show you my husband's side. And this is my husband's side, and he's actually using 2 of these smaller ones that I don't have. So he's got this size here, and he has this size here. So as I mentioned, it is 25 different pieces, 4 different sizes. It is absolutely perfect for all your organizational needs, not just in the bathroom.